Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. On today's cooking vlog, I'm gonna show you how I cook this Filipino style sopa de salchicha or sausage soup. Let's go over the ingredients so we can start. Keep on watching. So guys, these are the ingredients we need in this recipe. Simple and basic guys, nothing fancy here. So I have here cabbage that I cut into small pieces. Of course, the celery. This is an optional guys. If you don't want celery, you can totally omit these ingredients. And I also have here carrots that I cut into julienne. Of course, onion and garlic, salt and pepper to taste. And I also need butter and olive oil in here so we can saute the ingredients. And one chicken broth cube. And of course, the star of the soup, our sausage. So I have here mix of turkey pepper sausage and the normal chicken sausage. And we also need in here 400 ml of milk. You can use any milk you want, guys. So guys, let's start cooking. So I'm preheating the pot to where I will cook the soup. And now I'm adding the oil and the butter. So guys, while the butter is melting, I'm going to add and saute the onions. Saute the onions until it turns translucent in color. Next, I'm adding the garlic. Keep mixing until you smell that good aroma from the garlic. And add the sausages and mix it with the onions and garlic so the flavors from the onions and garlic will distribute evenly with the sausages. Then cover the pan for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes guys, remove the lid and just gently mix it again. As you can see, our sausages got a little bit fried. So at this time, I am going to add the rest of the ingredients. Mix them to spread all the flavors evenly. Then, cover the pot once again for about 5 minutes. So guys, this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. As you can see, it got a little dried up, but it's okay because at this point, we're going to add 5 to 6 cups of hot water. Make sure guys that you will going to add hot water in it so that the temperature will stay the same. give it a mix, guys, and it's time to pour in the milk into the soup. The milk in here, guys, gives more extra flavor and creaminess to our soup. And once again, guys, cover the pot and bring it to boil. Guys, I call this recipe of mine a Filipino style of sopa de salchicha. It's just because I cook this the same way how we Filipinos cook our all-time favorite chicken macaroni sopas. The only difference is that in this recipe of mine, I don't use elbow macaroni pasta, and also I don't put chicken in it. I only use and put the vegetables that we are also putting in the sopas and only the sausage. So that's why I call this a Filipino style sausage soup or sopa de salchicha. And of course, don't forget to do the taste test so you can adjust the taste of the soup. You might need to add some salt and pepper. If you need, this is the best time to do it. So guys, our soup is almost ready, but at this time, I'm going to add the cabbage. Cabbage doesn't need time to cook, guys. It's softened very fast, and we actually doesn't want an overcooked cabbage in here. A half-cooked cabbage is totally perfect in this soup. Just give it a quick mix, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. And tada! Our soup is ready! Freshly cooked and ready to serve. Wow, all this goodness, guys. Those half-cooked veggies and that super yummy sausages. This is superb amazing. So here's my Filipino style sopa de salchicha or sausage soup. I hope you guys will give my recipe a try, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comment down below, click the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I upload, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!